Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group at RE/MAX. And I am coming at you today with a little bit of an announcement on our 12 Days of Miracles fundraiser. So typically we do an in-person kind of party fundraiser in April. And unfortunately we're unable to do that this year. And we hoped we'd be able to postpone it, but unfortunately we still are not in a safe enough place to really be able to do that. So we are still going to do the fundraiser. It's just going to be virtual, and we're going to try to make it as much fun as we can. So a couple of things to highlight for you. 12 Days of Miracles starts on Monday. That's 12 days of us telling you about the prizes that we have and trying to get everybody pumped up about it. And then on the 12th day, which is September 25th, that's a Friday, we are going to do live drawings and live challenges and activities and things to try to have a little bit of fun with our people. Okay, so the way that this is going to work is we've got all kinds of fun prizes. I've got some wine from Scout and Cellar. Thank you, Allison Kanagi, for donating that. She donated several bottles of wine that we're going to be raffling off. Speaking of wine, we also have a couple of wineries, I think Foro Cellars and Lost Oak Winery, and we've got a couple of tasting options as well. So actually I think it's like tastings for 4. I'm not 100% sure what the prize is, but also, sorry I keep leaving your picture, this Ring doorbell. Who doesn't have one? Everybody needs one. You got to make sure your Amazon packages are getting delivered, right? Because that's what we do. So Hawaiian Falls season passes. There's Billy Bob's, there's Instacart. Do you have an Instacart membership? Because the day that I learned I could have groceries dropped off on my doorstep was like the best day ever. So anyway, all of these prizes, we're going to do raffle. 5 for 5, 10 for 10, or 25 tickets for $20. Okay, so the way it works is you go to our Facebook page, or the links will also be put in this email. There is a link to our Venmo and there is a link to our Square. That is where you buy your raffle tickets. Once you buy your raffle tickets, then someone on our team will reach out to you and ask you, hey, here's all the prizes that we have. How do you want your raffle tickets distributed? Okay. And then on September 25th, we are going to do live drawings. Now, I mentioned some challenges. I want you to know that we have decided that for a good cause, we're sort of willing to humiliate ourselves a little bit. So if we raise $500 at whatever time of day that happens, it might be at 9 a.m., it might be at 10 o'clock, who knows, it might be at 7 in the evening. But once we get to $500, you will see our whole team blindfold ourselves and do the electric slide. Pretty excited to see my husband do the electric slide. Especially with a blindfold, it's going to be quite interesting. Also, for $750, once we get to that number, we are going to do a hot pepper challenge. And so that will also be fun. I'm going to need like some milk and some bread and some something because I don't do hot peppers, but I'm going to do hot peppers when we get to $750. For $1,000, we're going to get a whole bunch of ice dumped on us, ice bucket, water, ice cold, all the things. For $1,500, every one of us on the team, including John, we're going to dye our hair pink. Do you want to see us have pink hair? Get us to $1,500. And remember, this is all going to be happening throughout the day. So once we hit each number, we're going to go ahead and do that thing. We will also be prepared with some paintball guns and some paintballs. Can we wear, I don't even know, can I wear some something that's gonna not hurt so bad? Is there like a vest or something that I could wear? I don't know. Anyway, but we are going to let our children shoot us with paintballs if we get to $2,000. So if you'd like to see that, please tune in. Please donate. Please help us support this wonderful cause that has made such an impact on so many families in this area. I can think of 5 people just off the top of my head who have had a positive experience that has made life easier for their family, and that their child has had a great experience in a bad situation. So I'm thrilled to be able to donate to this cause and to raise some money for them. So please help us do that. We hope that everyone is having a fantastic school year, whether you're virtual or in person, and we look forward to helping you with anything that we can, real estate related or not. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Comment here, reply to emails, let me know how things are going, and I look forward to seeing everybody on our live videos on September 25th. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.